So this is going to be a short video about the 24-hour clock. If you have ever been in the military, you are familiar with it. Other institutions use it as well. Healthcare uses it. And so we always document in 24-hour clock. What you have here is that the first 12 hours of the day are from midnight to midday, which is noon, and then the second 12 hours are from noon to midnight. So let's look at that. 24-hour clock. 1 a.m. becomes 0100. 2 a.m. becomes 0200. You don't use the AM or PM in a 24-hour clock. It sometimes gets a little bit, you have to get used to it, but once you get used to it, it's kind of natural. Let's go into the PMs. 1 p.m. then becomes 1300 hours. 2 p.m. then becomes 1400 hours. And you just go on until midnight, which is 0 hours. And you might think, well, if 11 p.m. is 2300 hours, why is midnight not 2400 hours? Well, let me just tell you that some places use it both ways. EMS people and some places, I don't know, use 2400, some use 0 hours. Computers like 0 hours. And I can tell you that this legislation goes back to 1963. I looked it up, and it is kind of vague, but you can use it either way. But for our purposes, we're going to do 0000 for midnight. So you just need to sort of think about it and kind of memorize it. Okay, so minutes. Minutes are not changed. Like 1:15 a.m. becomes 0115, and 2:45 a.m. becomes 0245. That is how it's done. I hope that this video helps clarify this for you, and if you have any questions, just ask.